two topics: command object and introduction to DAO. Yeah. Command object part, pretty easy. Yeah. And then for the DAO part, I split it into two smaller parts. The first part, I just talk about the basic idea. So introduction to DAO. Then the next video, I talk about how to develop our current DAO for this project. All right, so let's look at the command object part. Yeah. To do that part, you need to do these basic things. First, create this package, edu.amsl.springmvc.math.domain. Yeah. So you know how to create a package. Yeah. Create that package. After that, create a Java file called question.java. So we use it as our command object. So in this file, two simple properties. The first, private integer int QID. Now each question we need to provide an ID to it, QID. Yeah. The second, question content part. Yeah. So private, it is a string object type, so we call it content. Question content. Yeah. After we put these two properties, then we need to generate setters and getters. Okay, although you can type setter getters manually, not very hard, pretty straightforward, but Eclipse has built-in support to allow you to generate those setters, getters automatically. So I will show you at the end of this video. I will show you that part quickly. Yeah, pretty easy. So I just do a simple example. All right, so after that, then our command object part is done. So this part is done. Okay, yeah. Next, the DAO part. Yeah. This time we work on this DAO part. Yeah. First, you create a package, this package, edu.amsl.springmvc.math.dao. Yeah, DAO. Yeah, yeah. People also call DAO. DAO. Okay, data access object. So it is a very basic Java EE design pattern. Yeah, it is very popular. So many Java applications, people use this DAO Java classes a lot. Yeah. Here, so let me give you a simple introduction. Yeah. So our goal, so we need to do database queries. Okay, yeah. We have many different ways to do it, but we want to find some efficient way to do it. Efficient way. So what do we mean efficient way? Yeah. Because we know for database queries in one application, we may need to use some of the queries in many different Java files. Yeah. In other words, a lot of queries are reusable. Yeah. We need to use those queries many different places. Okay? Yeah. but we only want to develop each query once and reuse it many, many times. We don't want to do this way. Every time when we need to use some query, we write it from scratch. Although you can copy paste, but think about, in case you need to modify one query, do you want to modify all the other Java class files using the same query? It's not a good idea. So we want to put it in a central location. And this DAO object, that's the central location. Central location for all the queries. Yeah. All right, so next, how do we organize the queries, right? Yeah. So now you understand, so this idea is quite useful. Yeah. But the question is how to organize related, that's called related queries. So what do you mean related? Right? Yeah, related to the same table. Yeah, related to the same table. For the same table, you may have many different queries. Yeah. So we put all the queries related to the same table in one Java class file, one Java DAO class file. Yeah. All right. So here we're doing this way. Question DAO or question DAO. Yeah. Many people like to write capital, DAO in capital. Yeah. Sometimes people can write the lowercase, yeah, but many times people write in capital. Yeah, just get used to it. Yeah. All right, so now you can create this file, question DAO.java. Okay, yeah. The content in that file we will develop in our next video. Next video, I will go segment by segment, yeah, to cover the whole DAO class. Yeah. Yeah. But here, yeah, in this one, we just know in that class, we are going to put all the queries related to the question table. Question, or probably in this, yeah, because we use the math sync database, probably we call a problem, right? Yeah. Problem table. Yeah. Actually, we should call a problem. Yeah. But here, it's okay. Yeah. Because usually the DAO name and the table name should match in that way, then people can find, appropriate classes for different database queries easily. Yeah. And here, slightly different, but next time, if we have chance, we better use the same name. For example, if we have the problem table, then our DAO class should be problem DAO. Yeah. Table. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's our video number 4. Yeah. So that's the introduction part of that short introduction of the DAO concept. Yeah. Next video, I will do the detail, the query, database connection, setup, and including a little bit explanation related to JDBC. Yeah. All right, let's finish. a project. Okay, yeah. Dynamic web project. Yeah. All right. PR iteration 1. Yeah. Let me just call that finish. Okay. Yeah. Then I need to create a package. Okay, source, the package. New package. Okay, edu.umsl.spring mvvc.domain. That's our package name. Okay. Yeah. Then I create a Java class called question. Oh, here. Class. Here. Okay. Name question. Okay. Finish. Then I add 2 properties. Yeah. Private int qid, the first one. Private string content. Okay, all right, yeah. That's the first step. Then I just want to show you how to generate setters getters from Eclipse automatically. Very easy. Right click. Yeah. Mouse cursor put here. So right click. You find the source menu. Then you have a submenu. In the submenu, find the generate getters and the setters. Then in this window, you have 2 properties there. Select all. Yeah. Okay. Then click the generate button. Generate. Then the setters, getters are all generated. Okay. Yeah. So then you save. So this command object is done. Yeah. Pretty easy. Yeah. All right. So let me finish this part B.4 right here.